How much do you think you have to pay to become an IO psychologist? Top 9 campus-based, industrial organization psychology, master's program for you in the U.S. 9. University of Albany SUNY, Albany, New York. Student-to-faculty ratio 9:1. Average graduate tuition rate $11,090 per year in-state and $22,650 per year out-of-state. It provides students with a comprehensive curriculum. Students are engaged in cutting-edge research in laboratories that accommodate studies of both individual and group performance. The program consists of formal coursework, student-initiated research, and a supervised experience. 8. University of Georgia, Athens, Georgia. Student-to-faculty ratio 17:1. Average graduate tuition rate $8,704 per year in-state and $24,692 per year out-of-state. Students complete 2 courses each semester for 6 semesters. New students are admitted for the full semester. All students must complete a capstone white paper during the second year of the program. 7. St. Cloud State University, St. Cloud, Minnesota. Student-to-faculty ratio 21. Average graduate tuition rate $7,975 per year in-state and $12,116 per year out-of-state. It prepares students to find solutions in the workplace. Students are engaged in experiential learning opportunities, interacting with the local business community. New students are admitted to the program each fall. 6. Texas A&M University, College Station, Texas. Master's program in IO Psychology. Student-to-faculty ratio 21. Average graduate tuition rate $6,552 per year in-state and $17,904 per year out-of-state. It is a 16-month cohort-based accelerated program. The program balances scientific discipline with professional practice. This 33-credit-hour program does not require a thesis. All students are required to complete an industry-based summer internship. 5. Appalachian State University, Boone, North Carolina. IO Psychology and Human Resource Management, Master of Arts. Student-to-faculty ratio 16:1. Average graduate tuition rate $4,839 per year in-state and $18,271 per year out-of-state. It follows the educational guidelines set by both the Society for IO Psychology and the SHRM. ASU offers the only cross-disciplinary IO Psychology and HR Management Master's program in the U.S. New students are admitted each fall. 4. University of North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina. IO Psychology Master's Program. Student-to-faculty ratio 9:1. Average graduate tuition rate $4,337 per year in-state and $17,771 per year out-of-state. It features a top campus-based IO Psychology Master's program following the guidelines set by the Society for Industrial and Organizational Psychology. Courses are offered during the evenings and weekends to accommodate working professionals. 3. Northern Kentucky University, Highland Heights, Kentucky. Master's degree in Industrial Organizational Psychology. Student-to-faculty ratio 11:1. Average graduate tuition rate $13,837 per year in-state, $16,605 for OH and in residence, and $21,218 per year out-of-state. It is a flexible program that allows students to customize their coursework to meet their professional goals. Both full and part-time program options are available. New students are admitted for the fall, spring, and summer semesters. 3. California Baptist University, Riverside, California. IO Psychology Master of Science. Student-to-faculty ratio 14:1. Average graduate tuition rate $13,420 per year. It features a top campus-based master's in IO Psychology, providing students with a strong theoretical foundation and practical experiences. This 45-credit-hour program includes courses in 2. University of Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska. Student to faculty ratio, 15:1. Average graduate tuition rate, $5,053 per year in state and $14,125 per year out of state. The MS program is a 2-year, 36-credit-hour program for students planning to work in an applied setting like training and organizational development or HR. Number 1. Salem State University, Salem, Massachusetts. Student to faculty ratio, 14:1. Average graduate tuition rate, $2,520 per year in state and $4,140 per year out of state. Our top choice for a campus-based master's in IO psychology is offered by Salem State University. To know more about suitable psychology courses for you, their salary and scope, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get each and every update.